New at 6, questions tonight over property owners who still haven't received their property tax bills.
With the January 31st deadline looming, will residents have to pay penalties for the tardiness at the hands of the tax office? Eyewitness News reporter Katie McCall joins us live to explain. Katie?
Well, Gina, this all has to do with the Harris County Appraisal District, which tells me that it had more than 300,000 protests for property valuations in 2013. That's more than it's had since the year 2010, and that's a great sign for our economy, but it means a lot of late tax bills. The good news is you can still avoid paying a penalty. If you're a Harris County property owner who received a tax bill a little bit late this time around, or you don't even have yours yet, you're not alone. And with January 31st approaching, you may be worried. Former tax assessor collector Paul Betancourt has some good news.
If somebody's got a late tax bill, they know that they should look at one thing. When was it mailed?
If it was mailed by January 10th, you need to pay by January 31st. But if it was mailed after January 10th, you have until February 28th to pay with no penalty.
It's not due to the tax office holding anything. It's just when the accounts get certified and going through the process. 23,000 Harris County property tax bills have just been mailed in January, and there are 14,000 plus waiting to be sent out. The county says that's due to a high volume of business at the Harris County Appraisal District, where taxpayers have been protesting property valuations in huge numbers.
And we've been in a very vibrant economy, so valuations are higher than they've ever been before. The big businesses and the buildings, they're protesting their property taxes just as much as an individual property owner, and that has clogged the system up at HCAT.
Obviously, if you got a late bill, you were not able to claim it on your taxes for 2013. But to avoid that in the future, just call the tax office.
We can give them a preliminary number, and they then mail in an estimate based on their ability to pay.
And you can reach the Harris County Tax Assessor Collector's Office at 713-368-2000. They are encouraging anyone with questions about a tax bill to give them a call. We're live downtown. Katie McCall, 13 Eyewitness News.